Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we are making scrambled eggs with shrimp. It's a classic Cantonese dish, 滑蛋虾仁. This is one of those home-style recipes that your mom or grandmom make often. The ingredients are simple. The instructions are incredibly easy. I feel like it's my fault that it took me so long to share it with you guys. So let's get started.
You will need 2 cloves of garlic. Finely grate them into a paste. About 1 teaspoon of ginger, finely grated as well. 6 ounces of peeled and deveined shrimp. Use a paper towel to absorb the excess moisture. You have to do this especially if your shrimp is previously frozen. Otherwise, you will end up boiling your shrimp in the wok. Add in the garlic and ginger paste. Follow up with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, some freshly ground black pepper to taste, and a drizzle of olive oil. Mix everything until well combined. Set it aside for 10 minutes. While waiting, we can crack all our eggs. This is an easy but tricky recipe. In order to cook both the shrimp and the egg perfectly, you have to use the highest heat for the shrimps, but the lowest heat for the eggs. I will show you how to do that later. I missed a shot here. You should add a 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It depends on your taste and how you want to serve it. If you want it to go with bacon or sausage like the Western way, you can make it lighter in taste because bacon and sausage are already salty. If you want to put it over white rice like the local Chinese would do, you add a little more salt as the rice is unseasoned. Set it aside. We can start heating our wok. Turn the heat to the maximum. You want to see some smoke coming out. That is how you know the wok is hot. Add some cooking oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Give it a toss so the oil covers the bottom. When the oil starts smoking lightly, add the shrimp. Spread it out. Let it cook for less than 30 seconds. And be careful not to burn the garlic bit. When the shrimp just turned color, give it a flip and fry the other side. I cooked both sides of the shrimp for less than a minute in total. It also depends on the size of your shrimp. When most of them turn to a pink color, switch the heat to the lowest possible. Quickly push all the shrimps to the side so you have room for the eggs. Once the edge is slightly cooked, you're going to use a spatula to gently pull the cooked egg toward the center, and the uncooked egg will run to the side. You have to be patient here and wait for the edge to set again. It is better to use thin cookware that responds to the heat fast, such as a stainless steel wok or carbon steel wok like the one that I'm using. If you use a cast iron wok, it's very thick. Even if you turn the heat too low, it takes a while for the wok temperature to drop down. You will likely overcook your egg. You just keep pushing the egg toward the middle. In a couple of minutes, there should be 1/3 of the liquid egg left in the wok. Then start mixing the shrimp. This way, you will form up some really nice fluffy scrambled eggs. Once you don't see any more obvious liquid, turn off the heat. Add some diced scallion, give it a final stir, and you are done. As I mentioned before, you can pan fry some sausage or bacon. This would be a nice brunch. 2 eggs each person. It can serve about 3 people. I'm Chinese. I would just put it on top of white rice. The egg is so light and fluffy. The shrimps are perfectly cooked. It's just simply delicious.
I hope you give this a try soon. If you did, leave me a comment, let me know how it goes. As always, you can click the link in the description and find the printable recipe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!